In this video, I'm going to show you how to build your client portal in SuiteDash from scratch. By the end of this quick explainer, you'll know how to set up a fully functional portal for your clients in just a few simple steps. If you're looking for a powerful tool to manage client communication, files, and workflows, this guide will help you get started and make sure you're leveraging SuiteDash effectively. So, stick around till the end. I'll also be covering some of the best alternatives that might be even better for your needs. First things first, let's talk about logging into your SuiteDash account. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted with a dashboard. To build your client portal, you want to navigate to the Client Portal section under the Clients tab. SuiteDash gives you a ton of customization options here, so let's start with setting up the structure. Next thing, let's set up the client portal. SuiteDash makes it pretty easy to create a personalized experience for each client. You'll see options for setting up documents, forms, invoicing, and even communication tools. To get started, click Create New Portal, and from here, you can customize the portal's design, add logos, and select your color scheme to match your branding. The third thing, you need to configure the permissions. SuiteDash allows you to control what your clients can access in the portal. You can give them access to specific files, messages, invoices, or reports, really everything you might need to share with your clients. Keep in mind that controlling access properly will help you manage client expectations and security. Moving on to the fourth thing, integrating tools like calendars or tasks. This is an important step, especially if you're managing projects. SuiteDash has built-in features like task assignments, scheduling, and time tracking. This is where the platform shines for business owners who need to keep everything in one place. You can also sync SuiteDash with your calendar to streamline scheduling for meetings or project deadlines. The fifth thing, you want to focus on automation. SuiteDash supports automating certain tasks like sending invoices, reminders, and notifications. This not only saves you time, but ensures that nothing slips through the cracks when working with clients. You can set it up to automatically generate and send invoices, follow-up emails, and even task notifications. Now, let's talk about a key downside of SuiteDash. While it offers a great deal of flexibility, it can be a bit overwhelming for new users. The interface isn't as intuitive as some alternatives, and some users report a steep learning curve, especially when trying to figure out how to integrate all the tools smoothly. If you're just starting out or don't need all the features, it might feel like overkill. At this point, you should have a pretty good understanding of how to build your client portal in SuiteDash. But let's face it, no software is perfect. There are some limitations that might make SuiteDash not the best fit for everyone, especially if you're looking for something simpler or more user-friendly. So, what are the alternatives? Here's the twist. There are tools that offer similar functionalities, but with a more streamlined experience. These options might be better for achieving the goal of an easy-to-use client portal, and I'll share some exclusive links to get the best free trials for them. Stick around. SuiteDash is a powerful tool, but if you're looking for something that's easier to use or more specific to your needs, I've got some fantastic alternatives for you. These alternatives not only offer a great free trial, but also come with exclusive benefits available only through our link. You'll get access to features that can help you achieve your business goals without all the complexity that SuiteDash sometimes brings. So, go ahead, check out the link in the description and explore these alternatives. You won't regret it.